Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying core requirements and starting quick fixes. First, check your internet speed and cut other heavy usage. This often resolves buffering. Next, close and reopen the YouTube app or browser tab and restart the device if needed. Once done, temporarily disable VPNs, proxies, or extension-based blockers because they can interrupt video streams. Make sure to switch to a different browser or incognito mode to isolate profile issues. These first steps narrow the root cause quickly, so you can run deeper checks. Now you'll perform deeper, specific actions to fix persistent errors. Clear browser cache and cookies, or uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app to remove corrupt state. This often fixes playback failures. Make sure your browser, operating system, and apps are up to date because codecs and streaming protocols change. Once updated, lower playback quality to 480p or 360p to test whether bandwidth or decoder limits cause the issue, and try a wired connection or different Wi-Fi band to rule out local network interference. To finish, confirm network and external factors so you can restore consistent playback. Power cycle your modem and router, and if problems persist, reset network settings on your device to clear stale configurations. Check YouTube server status indirectly by testing playback on another device or network to see if it's a service outage versus your setup. If nothing fixes it, back up important data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. And if that still fails, contact support with logs and exact error messages for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.